2021 Genesis G90 key fob here. This is how you open it to replace the battery. Alright, so if we look on the right side here, there's a button that we're going to push, hold it down with our thumb, pull the emergency key out the bottom. Turn the remote over with the buttons facing down. See this slot right here? Put a flathead screwdriver inside, give it a turn. Alright, that will pop the back of the key fob open. See how it's open right here? Now we can go ahead and push it the rest of the way. And the battery is located on this back cover here. Get your screwdriver, there's a little slot here. You can go ahead and just tap the battery right out. Show you what size the battery is. Battery size is a CR2032 battery. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box. I'll have a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. Okay, so the positive sign, this guy right here was facing down. Put it in like this. Lock it in and make a little clicky sound. And you just get the two halves when you're all done. Put them together. Should click just like that when you have it all back together. Emergency key goes back in. If it locks, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another Genesis video.